it's vikishub-diys here. So today's episode I'm going to be reviewing another DIY as well. So in case you don't know, or in case you already don't know, I'm making a series of reviewing the items, the DIY items I did in the past, like the designs, the DIY designs I made in the past. I'm going to be reviewing all of them because I felt like most people don't trust in DIY or feel like it doesn't last and all that. So reviewing it is just going to give you an idea of how long it stays, or does it work, does it last and all that, right? Just to satisfy that question or that curiosity. So today I'm going to be reviewing this DIY I made in the past, I think last year, and it's just a t-shirt with my name on it, with my channel name on it, vikishub. So this is by far my most favorite DIY, not like in design or anything, but it felt closer to my dream because I've always wanted to have a clothing brand. So this was like, this felt closer to that. All right, so this became my favorite DIY. So I'm going to review, I'm going to insert a little clip as to how I made this. The truth is, this DIY was actually an experimentation. I used glitter foam sheet. Yeah, glitter foam sheet, right? So those are not supposed to be, glitter foam sheet are not supposed to be used on clothes, but I wanted to experiment with it and see how it goes. So I sealed the glitter with fabric glue, and I also use fabric glue. But the thing is, glitter sheet or foam sheet, sorry, rather, foam sheet are a bit chunky, or they have weight a little bit, so which was why it started peeling off here. As you can see, it started peeling off and going off, so it feels weighty a little bit. So this was not the best material to use for this DIY. Like I said, I wanted to experiment mostly, and it didn't stay for long because it already started peeling. I don't know if you guys can see, it started peeling already, and yeah, this started going off also. All right, so this was not the best tool to use for this, and this was a, I'm not gonna say a total disaster, a total failure, but it did serve the purpose I wanted it to serve for a while. All right, so that's it for this review. So I wouldn't advise to use a glitter foam sheet on clothes, on like clothes, because of its chunkiness, and the glitter easily falls off because it's a really cheap material, right? The glitter doesn't stay put, so it would be better to use glitter powder itself as well as fabric glue and using water to seal it. So I've used this for a lot of my videos, but I'm just gonna try anyway for some of you guys that haven't seen it before, so I just see what it looks like. All right, and I'll insert a little clip as to how I made this as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, so just stay put, and I'm gonna try this on, and that's it.